This is an ancient tale from the Mahabharata about one of ancient India's greatest archery masters, Dronacharya. Long before he taught royalty, he was just a poor boy with a close childhood friend. His friend was Drupada, Prince of Panchala, who once promised to give Drona half his kingdom once he took the throne. When Drona fell into hard times, he visited Drupada for help. Instead of keeping his word, Drupada insulted him, saying friendship only exists between equals. The insult festered deep in Drona's heart for years. Years later, Drona became archery teacher to the Kuru princes, the Pandavas and Kauravas. When training ended, he asked for his guru Dakshina, capture King Drupada and bring him here. The Kauravas went first, but lost badly to Drupada's army. Arjuna went next, and with his unmatched archery skill, he defeated Drupada, captured him, and brought him before Drona. Drona told Drupada he did not want revenge, only the equality Drupada had always insisted on. He took half of Drupada's kingdom, and returned the other half to him. In this way, Drona avenged his old insult, and proved the extraordinary bravery and skill of his student Arjuna.